Every year we have spiritual retreat for 10th standard students, which is mandatory, and living by objective orientation programs for all the divisions from 5th to the 10th, mandatory. This dimension is not only for Catholic students, but students of other faith. We have assemblies, prayer meetings, prayer services through which we bring out ethical values.
As they academically grew stronger over the years, the Salesians of Don Bosco Borivali then turned their attention to the formation of their parish community.
The parish of St. John Bosco started in the year 1994, the 1st of June. And Father Olivio Miranda was the first parish priest to be appointed. The organizing of the parish began with consolidating the Sunday school, and we picked up two stages. The first Holy Communion catechesis and the Confirmation catechesis, wherein we got the youngsters into a life of service, and eventually they would join the youth group.
See, Don Bosco started this work for the youngsters. He started first the religious order, the Salesian congregation, and then he started with us, started a congregation of sisters, daughters of Mary of Christians. Then, since the number of boys in his oratory were growing very large, and he realized that he would require the help of the lay people also in his work. So that is how he came up with this idea of starting an association of lay people to help with his work. So these are called this congregation was started by him in 1876. It's called Association of Salesian Cooperators. So the lay people, any lay, man, woman, or even can become a member of the Salesian Cooperative. We don't take the religious vows, but we help the mission of Don Bosco.
We have a theme of praise and worship that goes about for spiritual and motivational growth. We go under the leadership of Father Alvin Mesquita. The basic reason that we have this praise and worship team is to touch the hearts and minds of all the people and inspire them.
I was waiting and longing to see Don Bosco's relic himself. I had never got an opportunity, though I was a boarder. I was always praying and hoping that I get the relic to see, and I was very fortunate to see Don Bosco's relic entering into Don Bosco Borivali, and I was very much happy and pleased.
The youth group began to take shape. They were a group of vibrant, energetic, dynamic youngsters who really brought life into the parish. With these three stages, the Sunday school, the small Christian communities, and the youth group, St. John Bosco Parish was off to a flying start.
Recently, on the 2nd of October 2012, the 143rd birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, an interfaith prayer meeting was held, bringing together religious leaders of all faiths. The religious heads from 6 different faiths enlightened our minds with the message of peace and love. Sister Reena from the Brahma Kumaris, Bonde Guruji, gave us the message from the Vedas. Imam M.D. Ali from the Quran, Sikh Guru Gyani Sevak Singh talked about unity amongst all religions. Bhante Mahindra Bhonte, the Buddhist monk, was all praise for the religious heads who spread the message of peace. And on behalf of the school, Father William Falcao spoke, and Father Aloysius Furtado, quoted from sacred scripture, said that peace is a quality that is emphasized in the Bible.